to our Seashell channel. I'm Mary Rivera Messina from Philippines. I'm your Seashell florist artist for today. I'm creating Seashell art for 25 years. Please support handicraft industry in Philippines. We can customize any design you want. Just send a message. And for today, DIY, we will create these beautiful seashells like this.
Hi, I'm Grace, your virtual instructor for today's DIY. Tools needed: wire cutter, scissor, cutter, airbrush, styro ball, masking tape, glue gun and glue stick, floral wire, floral tape, white glue and sand. Tonna Shell, Aluco Vertagus mid-cut shell, traverse arc petal shape, artificial leaves, bubbles shell, and bear conch. Glue the little bear conch below bottom of the Tonna shell. Let's put a white glue for more security of the shell. Let's put sand to cover up the white glue. Cut the styro ball into square and put inside of the Tonna shell. Glue on the top of styro, then put sand for more security. Insert wire to Aluco Vertagus, mid-cut shell, then bend and twist it so that it will hold. Insert wire to the shell, then bend and twist it so that it will hold. Using Floral Tape, tape the wired petals shaped reverse arc to make a shell flower. Feel free to arrange the seashell flower and stem. And we are done. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoy me as your virtual instructor for today. See you again in our next seashell DIY. Please like, share and subscribe. Comment below your request DIY. Take care everyone from me, Grace and Mary. Love lots. Stay creative.